Today, we're going to evaluate and see how undervalued Micron is. I want to emphasize this. This is not, in my opinion, an investment, but a trade. Something you keep for maybe a year or two. Once you realize its value, you sell and move on to an investment. This is not a company that I personally will be investing in. I like to invest in companies that I don't have to think about for the next 5-6 years. From a PE perspective, it's very cheap. It currently sells at about 22 without one-time expenses and a forward PE of almost 12. Micron itself is a cyclical company, meaning events happen within the market that causes its revenue to go up, and then when those events are fully played out, its revenue comes right back down. Like here, we had the pandemic. Everybody needed computers, so the demand for its memories went up. Here we had the ARM transition. A lot of people dumped the 86 and went with ARM architecture. That caused a huge demand for its chips memories again, as you can see right here. And once that demand died down, Micron came back to this level. And now we're in the AI boom. Now, as you can see, we're not really at the absolute peak, but we're starting to get up there, right? And because this time the peak is going to be even higher than what it was for the last two times. Right now, 50% of Micron's revenue comes from AI products and services. Memory is needed for an AI product or service. Pretty much Micron is the one providing it, and that accumulates for 50% of their revenue. This is only the start. By 2025, this could be another $25 billion added to Micron's current revenue. Currently, it's about 32 billion. This could be up to 50 billion. If you were to value Micron like you value a lot of other companies in the same type of position, this would have a PE of 32, 35. Easily, which would mean its stock price would easily go 110, 120. Now, if you were to take in forward guidance, that means 12 months from now, this stock could very well be worth 150 or even 160. But I want to ask you this question. Imagine the year is 2027 and all the infrastructure needed to run these AI or LLMs is built out. Now Micron's revenue has plummeted by over 50%, just like it did right here in 2023, right here. What will happen to your investment? It is going to plummet. I'd even go far as to say that it goes under the current price that it's trading for. This is why it's very important for you to have a mindset of constant monitoring, constantly look at Micron's revenue, constantly see who are its competitors, see who are coming out with the competitive chips, who is increasing their production, and understand when the industry is about to plummet and then exit right before it does. If you're willing to do all that work, all that research, all that hard stuff needed, you will do fine with this investment. I predict this stock will easily go above 130, but I'm not investing in it. That's too much headache.